Good morning, we are KetoKids from Keto as a Family, and today we're doing a 5-carb challenge. Right now we're making breakfast, which is bacon and eggs. Alright, today for lunch we're going to be making tuna salad with my brother Ernie.
Hi guys, it's dinner time and today we're making
Lasagna.
Hi guys, I'm Emma from Keto as a Family, and right now I'm making the peanut butter fat bomb for dessert for the 5-carb Keto Kid challenge. The first step is to whip your whipping cream. While the cream was whipping, I put some granular sugar into the blender and I made it powdered. And so now we move on to the next step. I put the whipped cream in a separate bowl so I can use the whisker to whisk the peanut butter, cream cheese, sugar together. Put the 4 ounces of cream cheese softened, so I have to go pop it in the microwave, which is half a brick. Okay, now that I got my cream cheese softened, I'm gonna pop it in the blender. I'm gonna add my confectioner's sugar and add around 1.5 tablespoons. And then if it tastes bad, I can just add a little more at the end. Now I have to add my 2 1/4 tablespoons of natural peanut butter. Is where you'd usually add your vanilla extract, but since it's a 5-carb challenge, we don't need the extra carbs. So now you're just gonna whisk it. Okay. Now I'm gonna take off this. Then you're gonna fold in the whipped cream. Now we're just gonna add a sprinkle of kind of chopped chocolate chips to each thing. Because what goes better with peanut butter than chocolate? And then you're gonna put it in the fridge and chill until it's the consistency you want. We're gonna wait until it's the consistency of cheesecake and wait for after dinner. That's all for dessert.